You want to get the Canon firmware update for the Canon EOS R and EOS RP downloaded and on your camera ASAP. I've got you covered. This is a step-by-step on how to update your Canon camera. Before I get into it, we publish new content weekly, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. So what's in this update? Well, you can expect better eye detection autofocus at greater distances, better autofocus and tracking on smaller subjects, and better initial subject recognition. Now, if you'd like to see a comparison between footage captured before and after the firmware update, check out the video we made comparing the difference. We compared the Canon autofocus performance with the Sony a7 III, so don't miss out on that video. If you're thinking this firmware update was going to be another minor one, quite the opposite. This one is a game changer and really improves how this camera performs. So how do you update your firmware? Well, once the firmware update is released, find your specific camera on Canon's website. Make sure you choose the exact model, whether it's the EOS R or the RP. Also, make sure to download the correct version for your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Then click Agree and download the firmware, save it to an SD card. Now, make sure you format the SD card before putting the firmware on there. Don't put the file in a folder either, just copy it straight to the card. Then, with a fully charged battery, insert the SD card into your camera. With your camera on a manual setting, go to the menu and select the firmware option. A dialog box will appear asking if you would like to update and press OK. Keep your camera on as it does the update. Once it finishes, you're good to go. If you have any issues or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Are you excited about this update? I know I was shocked at the difference it made. If you like this video, remember hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.